Hi guys, welcome at the Intersolar. We are here at the Solus booth. My name is Carmen. I'm a Solus technical support engineer, and we're here to show you all of our new exciting products. Come follow me. So my colleagues put a wonderful display. We have inverter deconstructions that you can see. We have taken apart the inverters in order for you to see all of the components. We are not hiding anything, and we are really proud of our the brands, the high quality brands that we are using inside of our inverters. Here you can see the power board. On this other side, you can see the inverter, that one that we use to control and communicate with the inverter itself. Here we have the DSP board, which is actually the brain of the inverter, and it's allowing us to do all these wonderful things. Let's take here, I'm going to show you, we're going to start with the residential grid-tied inverters. We have a whole range of products. This is the mini version, which is a single tracker. On this other side we have, let's say we call it the standard version, which is dual tracker inverters. These are capable of connecting strings with multiple orientations. So even if you have on your home different inverters installed on differently on your house, you're going to be able to use this one. And for bigger projects, up to 20 kilowatt, we have the new S5 series. It ranges from 3 to 20 kilowatt. It has really a high input. We have up to 16 amps maximum input current. It means that you can use those big lovely panels, high current that you want to use. For the next part, we have the commercial and industrial grid-tied inverters. So the CNI range is quite interesting. We start from the 30K. This has been launched last year. It's the 5G series. But what we have new now, it's the 50 kilowatt. This is up to, actually we have 50 and 60, up to 6 maximum power point trackers. And this one, I believe, yeah, it has the 16 amps maximum current input as well. And we move up to this wonderful beast, which is the 255 inverter. It has 1500 volt maximum voltage input, and this one has up to 30 amps current input, maximum current input. So this is going to be wonderful for the utility projects that our customers will develop. Let's take you now to what is the most exciting part. Here I'm gonna show you our hybrid solutions. So we're proud to introduce our off-grid inverter. This is our first product in this range. It's a 5 kilowatt solution that allows you connection to the grid, but also at the same time it's going to allow you to power your loads without having the grid available. This is one of the products that we are really proud of developing. But what we have here, this is in the hybrid range. We have the 3-phase inverter. We have it from 3 up to 10 kilowatt. It has a 4 MPPT tracker, 4 inputs, which is almost unseen. It has communication, Ethernet communication, and this has a whole a wide range of batteries which is compatible. This is the high voltage version that we have. And on this other side, I'm going to tell you a little bit, I'm going to talk about these two as a whole because they're really similar, but this one is compatible with the low voltage batteries. It's going to help you maximize your PV consumption, and at the same time it's going to offer you the solution to supply your critical loads in case of grid outages. This one has two MPPTs with 2 inputs, each MPPT with 1 input. It has again Ethernet option communication, but what is wonderful about it is that you can control it, you can change the parameters on it using Solus Cloud app, which is actually the same app that you would be using to monitor all of our products. Including here what we have is the Solus all-in-one. It's a single-phase hybrid inverter, which has the capability to integrate a whole wide range of low voltage batteries, just like our single-phase inverter here. I was telling you about the Solus Cloud. I think you have already heard about it because this year we have launched our own monitoring platform, which allows us to connect all of our Solus inverters. We have a wide range of solutions. It can be the Wi-Fi, it can be radio using Wi-Fi. Additionally, we have the export power management unit, which will be a great choice for your commercial projects, where you want to see also the consumption of the projects, of the installations. And also, well, we have Wi-Fi kits that can connect up to 10 inverters. This wonderful EPM here can connect up to 90 inverters. So it's going to be great for your big projects. So on Solus Cloud, you can see all of the information in terms of generation, in terms of consumption, and also input, output, any alarms that could appear, and at the same time it can offer you the control to monitor and also change the parameters on your inverter. So we're really excited and we welcome you to our booth, and come see us. Thank you.